Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm going to redraw a special drawing from 2016, so 6 years ago. This is a fusion of BROLY and GOKU I did back then, and I called him BROKU. The drawing itself is very nice, and I love the concept and the idea of drawing the fusion in the middle and both of the characters next to that. I like how GOKU looks, especially the face expression and the color choices. BROLY is also looking good. We all know the reference I use for that, and I will keep that for the new drawing as well. The proportions are perfect, but I don't like the face, so I will definitely try to improve on that. The fusion in the middle is really not looking like a mix of both. It looks like BROLY with Goku's hair, and the design is not that special, so let's see what I can do there. But overall the drawing is great, I really like it. And I love to redraw my old drawings, and you guys really love these videos, so I'm going to continue with this kinda content. For BROKU I wanted to change the design a bit. I want him to have the size of Goku, but the muscle mass of BROLY, and also the face expression of BROLY. The hair I will draw more like Goku Super Saiyan, but more spiky, and with the hair strands in front like BROLY. I think that looks great. I'm really happy with the design. This one really looks like a mix of Goku and BROLY, but at the same time, it really looks like a complete different character. As for Goku, I will draw him in the same pose and as a Super Saiyan as well, so the power levels of him and BROLY are kinda the same. Other than that, I will just try to draw him better than 6 years ago. And for BROLY, I'm using the famous reference, which I'm sure every one of us has used at some point. It's an amazing pose and really fits to BROLY. and I think I drew the face way better this time. As for the inking, I still wanted it to be detailed and very clean, but not with the black shades. The full process of the inking you will see on my real-time drawing channel soon. For the coloring I'm using lots of different brands, which you know by now. All the links to the materials I'm using you can find in the info box below. Alright, BROLY is done and I have to say I really like how he has turned out. I love the colors, the design and the face expression. Can't wait for the comparison at the end. GOKU I wanted to color with the same color tones I used 6 years ago because I think back then I already did great on GOKU. The new one looks of course more clean, but somehow I am not happy with the head area, but it still looks good. So, now to BROLY. I have to say for the skin I choose the perfect color tones. Fun fact, I'm using 4 different tones right now for the skin and each color tone is from a different brand. The brightest tone is from Touchmarkers, first layer of shades from Ohuhu, second layer from Copic, and the darkest tone is from arttolg. And as you can see, it works perfectly. As for the hair, I'm using yellow-green color tones as I mentioned before, and now you can see the difference to GOKU's hair. So, almost done guys. Now I will add auras to both sides to finish this up. So guys, and there we have it. Let's sign this artwork like a real artist and then we can take a closer look. So, as I said, I love how I drew GOKU in the middle. The pose is amazing, I love the muscle mass on GOKU's size, I love the hairstyle, which is a great mix of both. The color choices for the jacket and the hair are also amazing. GOKU looks also great. I love the positioning of the arms and hands, and the color choices are also great, but as I said, I'm not happy with the head area. Maybe the hair is too big, or there is something up with the face. I don't know, but still it looks not that bad. BROLY looks amazing. I love the skin colors, the proportions, and the face expression. And when we compare both drawings, we can see that both are great. What I like more on the old drawing is for sure GOKU. As I said, I love the face of the older one and also the color choices are better. GOKU looks better on the new one in my opinion. I like the design way more as it looks more like a fusion and not just BROLY with GOKU's hair. And I think the new BROLY looks also way better. Still, I really like the old drawing too, so I think both are amazing in their own way. So guys, now I want to know your opinion. Let me know in the comments below if you like the new or the old drawing and why. Make sure to like the video to push it and subscribe so we can reach 400,000 subscribers soon. I will upload this drawing on my real-time drawing channel too, and for commissions you can message me on Instagram. Check out the info box for all the links to my materials, my online shop, Instagram, real-time channel and much more. That's it guys. Thank you all for watching and I see you on the next